bar thir bar thir Okay, I'm not drunk, I promise. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a fun video. This is a crazy look. By the way, you guys can just do the eye look when it gets to this one and just skip out on the pearls and gold flakes all over your face because I'm bougie. Not really. This was actually just for an Instagram post, so I went a little overboard with it. But this is the Orient Express palette from Nomad Cosmetics. Y'all, I'm so excited for this palette. I did the coolest photo shoot and had lots of champagne during it, so. But if you guys aren't familiar with Nomad Cosmetics, they actually travel to get inspiration for a palette. They find inspiration, colors, names, you know, everything, themes, and then they bring that back, they design it, do the packaging, and then they go back one more time to that same place to take pictures of the palette in its, like, inspiration space. So they have the prettiest pictures, they have the coolest design ideas, they have the most beautiful color stories, and they get to travel everywhere. So lucky. So lucky. I have 3 kids. Where do I go? To the grocery store. Psst, to buy wine. Nomad Cosmetics has the first ever velvet package with this. By the way, just, you know, just keep in mind that it's velvet, so stuff doesn't stick to velvet, including the back here. This is a beautiful packaging. This is the Orient Express. So it's all about train that goes to Paris, Venice, Istanbul. And the fun thing on this palette is it's actually like a train line to the destinations. I thought that was really, oh yeah, it's not even in frame, so there you go. So it goes from London to Paris, Simplon Pass, Venice, Arlberg Pass, and then Istanbul. And then in between is a whole bunch of really beautiful, kind of like Roaring 20s theme, which by the way, I am wearing a flapper dress and pearls. This is not a 1920s look, but still, I'm wearing it and I feel awesome. So there is 18 shades in here, which is their first ever 18 shade palette. They were inspired by the rich golds, the warm woods, the greenery outside, the luxe fabric inside, plus the Roaring 20s like vibe. So some of the names here is Venice, Roaring 20s, White Glove, Paris, Bar 3674, Istanbul, Grand Suite, Baby Grand. So they're all like really luxurious kind of feeling vibed names. I'm sure you guys want to see some swatches. I'm sure you all want to see Venice. It's on my lid right here. This is the first look if y'all are interested. I'm going to go ahead and swatch Istanbul because, oh my gosh. Y'all, are you kidding me? What? What? Venice? Obviously. By the way, Venice is a multi-chrome. This is all one color on my lid. It's shifting from a purple to a blue to a green to like a green gold. It's absolutely stunning, and it's got like red in there, so it goes really well with a red eyeshadow. You'll see when I swatch. There's like this red base to it. Let's do a matte. Okay, we're gonna do White Glove, and ooh, should we do a matte or should oh, we are doing this red, baby. Oh, see, smooth. That sounded really sexual. I already have swatches on this. Of course I do. Why? Hold on. This is hard for me to swatch, so let me do this and then I'll show them to you. Alright, that red is actually from this red from yesterday, because I was trying to figure out what color story I wanted to do. So the red does stain, but most reds do. Deeper colors like blues, reds, purples have a much more concentrated base color, so I did get some staining from the red shade. Which isn't a problem for me at all. I mean, I wear so much eyeshadow all the time, my lids are always stained. It's a rainbow of beauty on my eyelids. Anyways, back to the palette. I was kindly gifted this in PR. I do have product photos. Let me show you. There's a really fancy AF swatch. I just said AF and I'm almost something years old, because y'all don't need to know that. And I did regular bar swatches. So I'm going to show you both, and then I'm going to show you some of the product swatches. I went really luxe, really gold, really just rich feeling vibes with this. So anyways, thank you so much, Felicia, for sending this to me. Felicia is the owner of Nomad Cosmetics with her husband and her dog. They're so cute. And we're actually really great friends. So I love her to death. And I really like to do the most beautiful photo shoots for her. She has such inspiring palettes, I kind of go crazy. But if you guys are interested in seeing both of these looks, this is the first one, then just keep watching. So I started taking off everything because I had to have my intro, and I was like, oh, I didn't tell them what I used on the rest of my face. So I have no pearls on this side because I was just like, and you get half pearls for this. But for the rest of the makeup, I used Fly 5 from ColourPop on my lips, and it matches like this red orange, burnt orange color perfectly. For blush and highlight, I actually went in with, I don't think this is sold anymore. This is from their, it was like a butterfly collection like 2 years ago, and the color is, it's cool. So like a peach tone blush with a peach tone highlight. Anything in your collection will do. And then for these gold flakes, I actually went in with Midas Cosmetics, and they are gold flakes. And this is a gigantic container. She gives you the moat. You'll never need gold flakes ever again. Unless you actually need them once you finish using this gigantic thing of gold flakes. Then you might need them. The little goes a long way with these. And you guys can always use my code. It is Kira. It will save you some money on your Midas Cosmetics order if you guys ever want to use it. You totally don't have to, but they have a lot of stuff going on right now. If you guys ever want to purchase anything from them, I have some stuff coming up. I'm so excited for it, but you guys can always use that code and save some money. So now let's go into the second look, and I'm going to finish taking this off. that is the second look and the stuff that I used. So I didn't go in with a lipstick because I felt like this was a really like, and then I didn't want this to be all crazy. So instead of a lipstick, I actually went in with a gloss, and it's a Midas Cosmetics Sparkle On. And remember, if you guys ever want anything from Midas, you can use my code Kira. I'll put that at the top for you guys. It's also in the description. There's a link if you guys want to shop at Midas. But this is just so full of sparkles. Like, this is, I have a million swatches on my hand, but let me just show you how sparkly this is. Like, wow. It's so beautiful. For blush, I went in with a really, really soft peach color, and it's actually part of the Ambient Lighting Edit 4, Volume 4 by Hourglass, and it's just this one right here. It's very soft, very subtle. Just gave me a little bit of color. And then for highlight, I actually went in with Fenty Beauty in How Many Carats, and this is just pure sparkles. It's just silver glitter. That's all there is. There's no actual highlight color. It's just a transparent base full of silver glitter. So if you guys love glitter, you guys would love this. And then I forgot to show the lashes, but they are actually DJ Glam in the style LAX. And they are huge. These are massive lashes. But that is all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys got this palette. Let me know how you love it. Their formula is always buttery smooth, so much pigment, and such fun colors. This is so versatile. This is a great fall palette. It's got those greens and browns and golds, but it still could be like a wintry palette with like the icy blues and the pinks, which is what I did here. And you have a ton of neutral options as well, and you got some really bright, bold pops of color. So I really like this. It's super unique. I love the theme. I love the colors that she did in this. Like, it's just very well thought out. But that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!